This is Assamese Horai from Kahpital. So you can see here a totally handmade piece from the brass metal. You can divide it into two parts. So now you can see the designs of it. You see properly very good designs, and below it a beautiful ring type of structure in here. There are also some handcrafted design in here. So now if we go inside of it, you will get the some engraving designs in here also. Now the good thing is that if you need a smaller size of it, you can also do order, and if you need a big one like me up to 6 feet, then you can also order one. This is primarily used as a home decor, and apart from this you can also serve people like this and this. You can also use it in your temple and keep prasad in here. If you want to order this item, just visit www.kahpital.com. Then why you are waiting for? Just go and order yours.